So just keep watching the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly to download this. It actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Hey guys, so today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to get Sapphires in Animal Jam free. So as you can see, guys, we are broke in Animal Jam. You can see right there, but you can actually turn on free Sapphires like this. So I just turned it on, so let's see if they go up. So as you can see, guys, these are the Sapphire values. It's really poor, but it could increase. So let's see if it increases or not. And yeah, no change, brothers. Yeah, look at that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. So let's get into the video. Free food, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. So let's go. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go to Tweak Mod, okay? tweakmod.com. All right, so type tweakmod.com and then put Animal Jam. I think it's on here, I'm not sure, but yeah, there it is. So press install. So now just download this mod, and before it downloads, there's verification to do. So this is the last step. Just download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's totally free, guys, from official store. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load up, as you can see. So yeah, it's really fun if you play Animal Jam all day and you're like broke and you want to get free rubies and sapphires. Now you can do it. So let's see what happens if we get rich on Animal Jam, or if we're broke forever. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just want to download some of these. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, and then there's other ones, so just do 3 of them and you're done. So that's how I get free Sapphires in Animal Jam. So yeah, it's super cool. So hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I mean, if you're broke on Animal Jam, then you'll love this, bro. It's pretty cool, I mean, gotta say.